Hello and welcome. You are watching Coin Monitor. Here are the top headlines for the day. Bitcoin hovers near all-time high. Crypto market gains on institutional inflows. And while select altcoins gain in today's Coin Monitor. But before that, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And let's get started. Bitcoin continues to trade above the $1,09,600 mark on Wednesday, with the broader cryptocurrency market extending gains amid renewed institutional interest and the growing optimism around the upcoming US macroeconomic data. Bitcoin is just 2% below its all-time high of $1,11,970 set nearly 3 weeks ago. The digital asset is consolidating below the key $1,10,000 mark, and as traders remain cautious ahead of the critical US inflation data, including the CPI and the PPI data both due this week. So these figures are expected to influence sentiment ahead of the upcoming FOMC meeting, where rate cut signals are being closely watched. The global crypto market cap rose 0.6% to $3.44 trillion. Ethereum, the second largest crypto by market cap, was trading close to around $2,765, and Ethereum recently reached its 15-week high above $2,800, supported by institutional inflows, whale accumulation, and improved US-China trade sentiment. That's what the analysts have said. Meanwhile, American Bitcoin, a mining firm backed by Donald Trump Jr. and Eric Trump, had quietly accumulated 250 Bitcoins since its April 1st launch, data is revealed, while Bitcoin and Ethereum exchange-traded funds recorded significant inflows on June 10th. With $431 million entering Bitcoin ETFs and $125 million into the Ethereum ETFs, underscoring continued institutional appetite. Chart analyst Ali Martinez highlighted a critical Bitcoin support zone between $1,06,090 and $1,02,770, cautioning that a break below this level could shift momentum to the downside. Altcoins mirrored Bitcoin's resilience, while Solana advancing 5%, DOGE gaining 4%, and Cardano registering a 3.7% surge. Nasdaq has submitted a spot SUI ETF to the SEC. SUI responded with a 3% surge, now trading close to around $3.5. Separately, CoinShare has officially filed for a Solana ETF in Delaware. Sol has jumped 5% to trade close to around $166. On the Tron network, a fresh governance proposal has been introduced to cut block generation reward from 60 transactions to 8 transactions and reduce volatile incentives for the top super representatives from 160 transactions to 128 transactions. Following this news, TRX rose 1.5% to $0.29. Ondo Finance has launched its OUSG token on the XRP ledger, boosting its total value locked to $670 million in tandem with the Ripple's RLUSD integration. The Ondo responded with a 3% rise, trading at $0.90. In the DeFi space, PancakeSwap officially launched its cross-chain swap features on June 11th. The new system, dubbed cross-chain swaps, allowing seamless token trading between the major blockchains like BNB, Arbitrum, and Base. As a result, Cake gained over 5%, hitting $2.58, while Arbitrum was up significantly by 12% to trade close to around $0.4088. That's all there is in this Coin Monitor. Keep watching 3.0 TV. Until then, thank you.